Now we will go through the text. Okay, that is a game of chance. Every year in the occasion of Eid, during the festival of Eid, there was a fair in our village. This boy was telling during the occasion of Eid. Eid is a festival of Muslims. So during this Eid festival, this fair occurs in the village. So Eid was celebrated only one day, whereas this fair continued for many days. But the fair lasted many days. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kinds of goods to sell. You could buy anything from a small pig to a big buffalo. You can buy many things, from very small things to bigger things. That is, in the text it is written that from a small pig to buffalo. That means all types of things you can buy from the fair. Uncle took me to the fair. Baya, who worked for us at home, came with us. Baya was the person who worked for them in the house. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading it through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Baya till he came back. I was happy to do that because uncle is a grown-up person. Sometimes the boy Rashid will look here and there. Maybe the elder people will tell, oh, don't look there. Come on, come fast. So when uncle is gone, then he will be free with Bhaiya. So Rashid was very happy to hear that. Uncle wanted me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. I promised that I would wait for him. Bhaiya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I waited for uncle to return. The boy wanted to buy many things from the fair, but Rashid was a good boy and he waited for his uncle to return. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. Then they came to the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. The shopkeeper was a middle-aged man. He was neither young nor old. He was a middle-aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. He was not very smart or not too lazy also. He wanted everybody to try their luck. There were discs on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paise. Pick up any 6 discs. When you pay 50 paise, the person can pick up 6 discs. Add up the numbers on the disc and find the total. The article marked with that number was yours. That was the game. An old man paid 50 paise and selected 6 discs. He added up the numbers on them and found the total was 15. He was given the article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not want a clock. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for 15 rupees. So the old man did not want that clock with him. So he returned the clock to the shopkeeper, and instead of that the shopkeeper gave him rupees 15. The old man went away very pleased. Then a boy, a little older than that means little older than Rashid, tried his luck. He got a comb with 25 paise. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought the comb from the boy for 25 paise. The boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth 3 rupees. Then he tried a third time and got a wristwatch worth 25 rupees. And when he tried again, he got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. The boy was happy. Now he got a wristwatch, a table lamp, a fountain pen, all these things, valuable things. And the boy was happy and went away with a smile and a good deal of cash. The shopkeeper bought all these wristwatches table lamp and the fountain pen, all these things the shopkeeper had taken from the boy, and he got, instead of that, the boy got a good amount of cash with him. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. I paid 50 paise and took 6 discs. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paise. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink, also of little value. The shopkeeper bought that too. The shopkeeper bought that too for 25 paise. I took a chance for the 3rd time. Still, luck was not with me. I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again, paying 50 paise each time. But every time I got a trifle. What's the meaning trifle? An object of little value, that is trifle. At last, I was left with only 25 paise. Again, the shopkeeper showed his kindness. He said I could either play once more with 25 paise. The shopkeeper showed that he was very generous, and the shopkeeper told the boy, even with, because you were trying for many times, and with 25 paise, instead of 50 paise, you can play now with 25 paise. Or settle the account then and there. I played again, and the last 25 paise also disappeared. People were looking at me, some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Presently he came. He looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. From the very, at the first moment, Uncle found out that Rashid was not very happy. You look upset. What's the matter? I did not say anything, but I told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me, gave a pat on his back. He took me to a shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits, sweets, and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Back home, Uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made a fool of me. No, Uncle, I said, it was just my bad luck. The uncle said that the lucky shop owner made a fool of you, but Rashid was not willing to accept that. He said that, no, Uncle, it was my bad luck. Uncle said, no, my boy, said Uncle, it was neither good luck or bad luck. But Uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting 2 or 3 costly things. And Uncle said, you don't know, child. Uncle said, they were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. Now forget about it and don't let anybody of your bad luck or foolishness. That is the end of the story. Okay, bye.